Nazarbayev University. The following information should help you get the most out of your forthcoming visit to our university. We have included details about the university and the local area, as well as some things you will be able to see and do during your stay. The university. Nazarbayev University was founded in 2010, and its modern facilities are among the best in the world. Spacious halls of residence, state-of-the-art sport facilities and laboratories. NU boasts a wide range of degree courses, all of which are taught in English, with an emphasis on training the leaders of the future. The city and surrounding area. NU is on the outskirts of Kazakhstan's ultra-modern capital city, Nur-Sultan, and there are many spectacular monuments and buildings nearby. The city itself is a lively commercial center with lots to do. Events and activities. There are numerous entertainment options on offer. There is a concert hall and an opera house in the city, and the student body regularly organizes cultural events. Enjoy your stay. We hope your visit will live up to your expectations. The staff and students will certainly do whatever we can to make your stay a pleasant one.